Hi students, welcome to Sankalpa Study Success. I am Tirupati Rao. Right, I am going to explain some problems on energy of electron in nth orbit. So these are the previous exams questions like EAMCET, NEET, JEE Mains. Right, so the energy of an electron in the first Bohr orbit of Be2 plus. Right. So we know that energy of electron, En is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square by N square, electron volt per atom. So the energy of electron in nth orbit En is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square by N square, electron volt per atom. So here beryllium, what its atomic number? Beryllium, its atomic number is 4, 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. So Be2 plus means, so this is 3 plus, not 2 plus. 3 plus means, so it can loses 3 electrons, that means 1s1, 3 electrons lose, that means 1s1. Right, it is containing how many electron? 1 electron, it is containing 1 electron. Right, now En is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square, Z is equal to what its atomic number? 4 square by N value, how many number of electrons, right? Sorry, here N is orbit, so here N is equal to first Bohr's orbit. So first orbit, that means 1, right? So N square means 1 square. So 13 minus 13.6 into 4 4 ja 16. So by 1 square. So 16, right, minus 13.6, 16, 6, 96, 96 minus 9. 48, 9, 7, 57, 7, 16, 1 just 16, 5, 21. So 217.6 electron volt per atom. So this is the answer. So the energy of an electron in the first Bohr's orbit of Be3 plus is equal to En, and En is equal to minus 217.6 electron volt per atom. Now goes to second sum. The kinetic energy of electron in He plus will be maximum is, right. The options what are given? Third orbit, second orbit, first orbit, orbit with energy equal to infinity, So what is the kinetic energy? What is the formula of kinetic energy? So in the previous video, according to previous video, we know that relation between kinetic energy and potential energy, Ke is equal to minus Pe, minus total energy, Ke is equal to minus total energy of electron in nth orbit. So therefore Ke is equal to minus of, what is the energy of electron in nth orbit? Minus 13.6 Z square by N square. So kinetic energy Ke is equal minus into minus plus 13.6 Z square by N square, So this is the formula of kinetic energy. So we know that K is equal to minus En is equal to total energy of electron in nth orbit. So minus into minus plus, right. Now the kinetic energy of electron in He plus means what its atomic number? Z is equal to 2, helium. So how many electrons? 1 electron is present. He containing 2 electrons. It loses 1 electron is equal to 1 electron, right? So Right. Here plus will be maximum is, so Ke is equal to 13.6 into z square means 2 square by n square, 2 square. Ke is equal to 13.6, right, right, minus it minus plus, right, 4 6 is 24, 4 3 is 12, 14, 4 1 is 4, 54.4 by n square electron volt for atom. If n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, what its value? If n is equal to 1, first orbit, its value kinetic energy Ke is equal to, if n is equal to 1, kinetic energy K is equal to 54.4 by m square. If n is equal to 3, if n is equal to 2, if n is equal to 2, Ke, right, 54.4 by 2 square means 54.4 by 4. So that means 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 3 ja, sorry, 13.6, right. So if n is equal to increases, if n value increases, kinetic energy decreases. Why? What is the relation between kinetic energy and n? So these two are kinetic energy, and n is present in which relation? Inversely proportional relation. Ke is inversely proportional to n square. If n value is increases, kinetic energy is decreases. What is the answer? First orbit. These three are wrong. See, if n is equal to infinity, so that is also less. So the kinetic energy of electron in He plus will be maximum is first orbit. Why? The kinetic energy and n is present in inversely proportional. If n value is increases, kinetic energy is less. If n value is minimum, low, its kinetic energy is high. So here which is the minimum value? First orbit. So that is the answer. Alright. Next goes to another sum. The ionization energy of H atom is 13.6 electron volt. What will be the ionization energy of He plus and Li2 plus ions? Right. So this is also very important sum, right. So the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6. IE of hydrogen is equal to 13.6 electron volt. We know that ionization energy is equal to minus energy of first orbit. Energy of first orbit. So this is already, we know that this is already studied in previous videos. So ionization energy IE is equal to minus of energy of electron in the first orbit. Energy of electron in the first orbit. So therefore energy of electron in first orbit, energy of electron in first orbit is equal to minus IE, is equal to minus IE. So IE is equal to minus E1. What is E1? E1 is the energy of electron in the first orbit. So energy of electron in first orbit, E1 is equal to minus IE. So what its value? Minus of 13.6. So this is the energy of electron in first orbit of H atom, right. Now what will be the ionization of He plus and Li2 plus? First of all, we can calculate the energy of electron in first orbit of He plus. Energy of electron in first orbit of, similarly first orbit of He plus. So He plus and Li2 plus are also containing only one electron. What is the formula? Energy of electron in the nth orbit, we know that minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt per atom. This is the formula, minus 13.6 into z square by n square into electron volt per atom. So here what is the atomic number of helium? Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. So Z is equal to 2 minus 13.6 into Z square means 2 square by N square, that is the first orbit, we can say 1 square. So 13.6 into 4, 4 6 is alright, 3 is 12, 4 1 is 4, 54 minus 54.4 electron volt per atom. So this is the energy of electron in first orbit of He plus. Now we want to ionization energy of He plus, IE plus, IE of He plus. IE of H plus is equal to minus of E1. Minus of E1 means energy of electron in the first orbit. So what is the energy of electron in the first orbit? Energy of electron in the first orbit of He plus minus, so minus of E1. What is E1 value? Minus 54.4 electron volt per atom. So minus of minus, minus into minus plus, 54.4 electron volt per atom. This is the ionization energy of He plus. Similarly, we can find Li2 plus. Energy of first of all we can find the energy of electron in first orbit of Li2 plus, We know that what is the formula? What is the atomic number of lithium? 3. What is the formula? Minus 13.6 Z square, where Z is equal to 3. 3 square means 9 by N square, 1 square. So minus 13.6 into 9. So its value minus 4 2 4 9 3 27 32 3 12 minus 122.4 electron volt per atom. This is the energy of electron in the first orbit of Li2 plus. Now ionization energy of Li2 plus, is equal to minus E1. Ionization energy of Li2 plus is equal to energy of electron in the first orbit. So minus of E1 value, tell me, minus of 122.4 electron volt per atom, right? Minus into minus plus 122.4 electron volt per atom, right? So this is the formula of ionization energy. Ionization energy IE is equal to minus of E1. So this is the nucleus, this is the electron, this is the E infinity. Okay, this is the N is equal to 1 cell, this is the N is equal to infinity cell. So in N is equal to infinity cell, the energy of electron in the infinity cell is equal to 0. That means there is no force of attraction between the electron and the nucleus. And also, what is the ionization energy? The energy required to remove the electron from atom or ion in the ground state. In the ground state means here N is equal to 1, right? So after the ionization energy, that electron is removed. That means there is no force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron. After the ionization energy, there is no force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron. That means ionization energy can be, logically ionization energy can be taken as E infinity minus higher energy level to lower energy level, E infinity minus E1. So E infinity minus 0 minus of E1. So IE is equal to minus E1. Minus E1 means energy of electron in the first orbit. This is the formula, right? I hope to clear this everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.